Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 6 best benefits of lemon ginger tea and how to make it. Also, watch the video until the end for an exotic tip. If you're looking to boost your immunity this winter, lemon ginger tea should be high on your list of cold weather brews. Drinking lemon ginger tea helps relieve the symptoms of nausea and vomiting. Lemon ginger tea helps stimulate the metabolism, which is very important for achieving your weight loss goals. Lemon ginger tea acts as an antioxidant and helps reduce oxidative stress, which often leads to premature aging. The rich, spicy aroma of lemon ginger tea helps relieve stress and calm you down. Lemon ginger tea is known for its blood sugar regulating properties, as it is rich in zinc. You can make lemon ginger tea in 2 simple steps. All you need is water, lemon slices, and grated ginger. Add lemon and ginger to a pot of boiled water and allow it to steep for about 20 minutes. Now, strain the tea in a cup and add a teaspoon of honey if you like your tea sweet. Did you know that lemon ginger tea can also be a summer drink? Just add a few cubes of ice for some homemade lemon ginger iced tea. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.